I thought I'd show you a tour of our farm. We've got 2 chickens, Beth and Annie. Let's go check and see if they've got an egg. They're free range, so we let them. That's our meadow. See our meadow? We've got some wild tomatoes. Anyway, this is where they go to make eggs. Have we got an egg? Yeah, we've got an egg. There we go. One egg. We'll come into the pasture, into our meadow, where we have some tomatoes growing. And then we go to their hooch that I made about a year ago in July. And we look up inside. No eggs. That's our tall weed. Put your tomatoes there. It'll be red tomorrow. Hey girls, say hello. Hey Annie, you say hello?